my channel. My name's Emma, and in today's video we are going to be packing for Walt Disney World's reopening this Saturday on July 11th. I'm going to be walking through everything that you need for Disney World in a pandemic, everything that will be essential for Disney throughout the rest of this year or years to come. I don't know how long Corona and like the pandemic and everything will last. So you guys are going to help me pack for my Walt Disney World trip. Before we get started, make sure to go follow my Instagram and follow my TikTok. Let's get started. You don't understand how excited I am to be going back to Disney World. I haven't been in so long. I am so excited. Definitely the number one thing that everyone needs to bring, you cannot forget, you need this to get into the parks no matter what. Like, this is top priority. You need your mask. And I recommend don't wear a cotton mask because in Florida, obviously, it's super hot. The cotton on your face is gonna just make it even hotter and harder to breathe. So I would recommend just wearing one of those, the masks that you would get at like the doctor's office, and bring extras because you're probably gonna want to replace it throughout the day because you're gonna be getting sweaty and it's gonna feel nice to be able to replace a mask. I'm probably gonna be bringing like maybe like 10 to 15. I'm only going to the parks for 3 days. This is a really short trip just to see the reopening of Walt Disney World. So I'm gonna be bringing 15 masks for those 3 days just in case, and especially like the plane ride, everything, you want to make sure you have a mask on the whole entire time. So for my whole entire family, we ordered this package of masks. It's a package of 50. It has filtering, skin friendly, dust proof, anti-spray. Looks like this. So we ordered this off Amazon for our Disney trip. This will last our whole entire family. I think 50 is like the perfect amount. So this is what we are bringing for our mask situation. The next most important thing that you need to take to Disney World this year is hand sanitizer. You want to take like the little hand sanitizers that you can take around the park with you because you're going to want to be hand sanitizing throughout the whole entire day. After every single ride, even though there's hand sanitizing stations like throughout the park, I would recommend to bring a little hand sanitizer to have with you. Even when you're like gonna go eat at Disney, or even after a ride, you want to use hand sanitizer just to prevent anything that could happen to you. So I think my family is taking, I don't know, I think we're either gonna bring it or stop at Target, but we're taking like a big hand sanitizer like this and a bunch of like the little bottles, and we're gonna fill them all up with hand sanitizer once we get to Florida so that we have all of the hand sanitizer that we need for our 3 to 4 days at the park. You definitely do not want to forget your hand sanitizer. That is very important and a necessity for Disney World during a pandemic. Another thing my family is definitely bringing to Florida this year is wipes. When we get on the airplane, we're gonna wipe down our seat. We're making sure, even though like the people on the plane are gonna wash your seat, we're gonna just wipe it down just to be safe on the plane. And once we get to the hotel room, maybe take the wipes and just wash it down a little bit. I think that is really important for Disney World. You might not use this, like, we're probably not gonna bring this to the park, but it's probably really good to use on the plane or to use in your hotel room. So we are definitely taking a Lysol wipe for Disney World. That's very important to stop the spread of germs, just in case there's anything left over that didn't get cleaned up, just in case. This is just to be safe. This is something that you need to stay safe. And I can't show you guys that because I think it's already packed away in my mom's suitcase and the hand sanitizer, so I can't show you guys that, but that is what we're bringing definitely for this year. If you're going to Disney World during the summertime, it is going to be extremely hot and humid, so I recommend that you have like a handheld fan or one of those Disney fans that are blue and they go around your neck that spray water and fan you at the same time. That will cool you down throughout the whole entire day. That is a really good thing to have. I know you can get handheld fans on Amazon, and my blue fans are also packed away right now that are from Disney, so I won't be able to show you guys that, but handheld fans are going to be very nice and help you throughout the day when you're in Disney World in the extreme heat with the sun just right on top of you. I think you really need to have a handheld fan with you throughout the day. The next thing I'm taking with me to Disney World this year is my ears. I can't go to Disney without my ears. That is the main, like, that's like the most important thing besides like the safety reasons that we need. But I will be taking all my mini ears with me. Not all of them. I'm only going for 3 days, so I'm gonna have to pick the best ones. And I'm definitely taking these ones. These ones are my favorite. These are my favorite Minnie Mouse ears. I got these in Magic Kingdom at the Emporium, I think. I'm gonna take my new up ears. I have not worn these in Walt Disney World yet because I got these at Disneyland, California. I think in Disney's California Adventures next to the Monsters Inc. ride. That is where I got these up ears. Up is like one of my favorite rides and it has the grape soda pin. I love that. So I will be taking these these, and I think I will take the rose gold ears. I got these at the Emporium in Walt Disney World a couple of years ago. These ones are like classic Disney ears that you need. These are very popular. Everyone has these, but I feel like these are so cute and will look so good at the parks. So I'm gonna be taking these, my up ears, and the ears I showed you guys before. Next up, if anybody has these, take your Disney World pins. Even though you can't trade with the cast members, you can still buy pins in the park, and you still look magical with your Disney pins on your lanyard. I know I love pins. I collect them. I have a lot of them. I want to make a video of me showing you guys all the pins that I have. I think that would be a cool idea. Let me know in the comments down below. But that is definitely something you need for Disney World if you collect pins. If you don't collect pins, then maybe you can like skip this part. But I'm just going to show you guys me getting my pins together in a time lapse. Pins I'm going to be taking with me to my Disney World trip in a couple days. But I would take these pins, but I don't want to like chance losing them because they're really important. Like this one's from 2017 Easter, and I have like Christmas party ones, Halloween party, the time I went to Disneyland. Like I don't want to risk that, especially my Splash Mountain pin, because Splash Mountain's closing down and I want this to be a memory, and I don't want to chance losing it because sometimes the backs on the pins can be loose and they will come off. So I will be taking these ones. Now, because of COVID-19, Disney is giving our magic bands once we arrive at our hotel and not sending it to our homes. And I think that is because there's no fast passes. Now that the park's reopening, there will be no fast passes because the park is opening at 50% capacity. There probably won't be much lines for anything. As I've been watching live videos and reading what people have been saying, and there's been little to no wait times for any of the rides. Like Flight of Passage had a 5-minute wait, and that ride usually has a 180-minute wait, and now it's a 5-minute walk on. Like that's crazy. I'm so excited. I literally haven't been to Disney it feels like I haven't been to Disney in so long. All right, now I'm gonna be talking about like more like things like don't forget like your phone charger. You don't want to be like on the way to the airport and then realize you forgot your phone charger, because that will set you back a lot of time, and you really need a phone charger when you're going to Disney World. Your phone is gonna die your phone's gonna die at least once in the first day. So I would also recommend bringing a portable charger. And if you don't have a portable charger, Disney also has fuel rods that you can buy once in the parks, and they are rechargeable. You can put them back into the machine and trade it out with a new one that is fully charged. If you don't have a portable charger, you can get one in the parks, and that is needed. A portable charger is needed when you go to Disney World because your phone will die. Especially if you're like me and you're taking pictures and videos all day in the parks, your phone is going to die. So trust me, you will need a portable charger when you're going to Disney World. You also don't want to forget really important things like sunglasses, because as I said before, like the heat is really like right on top of you all day long when you're at Disney World. So you want to have your sunglasses on and protect your eyes from the sun. That is a really important thing. If you don't have sunglasses, you could also bring a hat, and I don't have sunglasses, so I'm bringing my Boston University hat that I got a couple years ago, and that protects me from the sun, and that hat is honestly the cutest hat. Now we're gonna start packing clothes, and I'm gonna be bringing all tank tops. I'm not even gonna try with short sleeves because it is gonna be so super hot out. It's gonna be like over 91 degrees and humid, so I'm gonna be wearing tank tops or maybe tube tops, crop tops, anything. So let's go pick those out. I'm gonna bring this red tube top to wear at probably Magic Kingdom. This would be so cute with light jeans. I have light mom jean shorts. That's what I meant to say. So I'm gonna bring this for a day at Magic Kingdom. I'm gonna wear this halter top, probably actually in Animal Kingdom, because I feel like this is like such a like Animal Kingdom vibe shirt. It looks like it will blend in with like the environment there. So I'm gonna be wearing this for my day at Animal Kingdom at the park. It's also a crop top. I have this crop top, which is like, I'm gonna wear this for my last day that we're just spending around like in the pool. So I'm probably gonna just wear my bathing suit under this when we're like at the hotel first day. I know this is such like an Animal Kingdom shirt because it's the Lion King. You can't really see it, but I'm gonna wear this on the first day because I don't want to wear it in the parks because it's black, and black attracts the sun. So you don't want to wear black when you're in the middle of the hot sun. So I will be wearing this shirt on my first day, travel day. And also we're probably going to Disney Springs that first day too, so I will be wearing this shirt. All right, I know it's bad lighting right here. My tripod's over there. I could have just got it, but I'm gonna pick out my jean shorts. So I think I want to wear these when I'm in Magic Kingdom. That would be super cute. I'm gonna wear these. And also I have my dark pair. These are from American Eagle. Oh, I forgot. And these ones are from Shein. I definitely want to bring like regular shorts too, not just jean shorts, in case it's like super like hot. So I have my like dance shorts. These are just from dance and stuff, but they're nice like shorts to have. And finally, I'm gonna bring these black shorts. shorts. These will go with anything. They're nice. I'll have these as a just in case I need them. I think I got them from Forever 21. You also don't want to forget your bathing suit. That would be a really big problem, especially if we're going in the summertime, because you're definitely gonna want to go in the pool at least at some point when you're staying at a Disney hotel. So make sure you bring like probably 2 or 3 bathing suits, because maybe one day your bathing suit is still drying or like still wet from a different day before. So I would recommend to bring 2 or 3 so you can have a spare bathing suit at all times. All right, so this last thing I'm gonna pack is my like pajamas. I'm gonna bring like a pair of like spandex, but I'm also gonna bring sweatpants and a sweatshirt and probably just a spare t-shirt to wear when I'm sleeping, because maybe in the hotel room might be a little chilly from your AC running all day and keeping your hotel room cool. So I have with me like a lightweight sweatshirt. It's like super thin because I definitely don't want to take a really heavy sweatshirt. I'm gonna be sweating no matter what, no matter where I am in Disney, I'm gonna be sweating. I also have these pair of sweatpants that are really comfortable to have to sleep in. They're from Hollister. I have these spandex shorts that I might wear to bed even if the sweatpants are too hot for me. For a t-shirt, I have this Disney shirt that says I'll be home for Christmas in front of the Disney Castle because Disney's home. Finally, for shoes, I think I'm a really big sneaker person, but I think I'm gonna wear my slides because I don't want to be like wearing sneakers all day, or especially if it's like really hot. I don't want my feet to be sweating, so I'm just gonna wear my slides. I have these Jordan slides that are really comfortable. You just slide your feet in. And I have these Adidas ones that are like foamy, so they're very comfortable. And I'm probably gonna bring actually one pair of sneakers just in case maybe we're walking around at nighttime at like Disney Springs. All right, I picked a really comfortable pair of sneakers because all my sneakers are like Jordans and I don't want to be uncomfortable walking in the park, so I just have these comfortable Nike shoes that will be nice for my feet. Alright everyone, I think that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. If you watched the whole entire thing, you just watched me pack my trip back to Walt Disney World after it's been closed for a few months. I hope you guys enjoyed it and know what you need to pack for the upcoming months at Disney World. And also make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel because I now will be posting Disney content all the time. I'm making this channel more directed towards Disney, but I also have days I post Animal Crossing videos. Make sure to watch out for that. And also leave comments down below if I should make another part of this video because I'm going back to Disney World in November of this year, so I'll be able to make another part. And also leave comments of ideas or like Disney like related videos you want me to make in the future. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.